Getting Google Play on your Samsung Smart TV.
Hello, in this video we'll discuss if there are any prerequisites or requirements to get Google Play on your Samsung Smart TV. Let's dive right in.
Is Google Play available on Samsung Smart TVs?
Unfortunately, Google Play is not natively available on Samsung Smart TVs. Samsung Smart TVs come with their own app store, called Samsung Smart Hub, which doesn't include the Google Play Store.
Can I install Google Play on my Samsung Smart TV?
Though it's not available by default, there is a workaround to access Google Play on your Samsung Smart TV using an external Android TV device. By connecting an Android TV device to your Samsung Smart TV, you can access Google Play and other Android apps on your TV.
What do I need to get Google Play on my Samsung Smart TV?
To get Google Play on your Samsung Smart TV, you'll need the following. 1. An Android TV device such as an Android TV box or stick. 2. A stable internet connection. 3. A Google account for signing in and accessing Google Play. So, while Google Play is not natively available on Samsung Smart TVs, you can still access it by connecting an Android TV device. We hope this video has been helpful. Enjoy using Google Play on your Samsung Smart TV.